Hey everyone, I hope you're all having a fantastic day. Welcome back to Auto Repair. Today we're diving into the symptoms of bad brake pads. Brake pads are one of the most critical components of your vehicle's braking system. When you press the brake pedal, hydraulic fluid flows from the master cylinder through the brake lines to the calipers at each wheel. This fluid pressure causes the calipers to squeeze the brake pads against the rotors, generating the friction needed to stop the car. Most vehicles are equipped with brake pads and rotors. However, if you don't see a rotor behind your wheel, your car might have drum brakes with brake shoes instead. Brake pads are typically located between the rotor and the caliper. The first symptoms is squealing or grinding noise. If you hear a squealing sound while driving or braking, it likely means the brake pads are worn down to the wear indicator. The wear indicator rubs against the rotor to alert you. If you hear a grinding noise when braking, this could mean the brake pads are completely worn out and the metal backing plate is scraping against the rotor. The second symptoms is scratched rotors. If you've ignored that grinding noise for too long, it could result in scratched or damaged rotors. This happens because the metal backing plate presses directly against the rotor to stop the car. This metal-on-metal contact not only damages the rotor but also reduces braking efficiency. The third symptom is longer braking distance. Worn brake pads can significantly increase your stopping distance. With the brake pads worn down to the metal, the brakes lose their ability to generate sufficient friction. This means your car takes longer to stop, which can be dangerous in emergency situations. The fourth symptom is brake warning light. Some vehicles have an electrical wear indicator that activates the brake warning light on your dashboard. When the brake pad lining wears down to a certain level, the wear indicator makes contact with the rotor, completing an electrical circuit. This triggers the warning light, letting you know it's time to replace your brake pads. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe.